looking at the probability that Willie gets only one hit, we have to kind of organize the problem, not differently, but we have to think about all possible options. So if I set it up again, and we have one at bat by Willie, and we have a second at bat by Willie, we'll see a couple things. First, here in the first two problems, there's only one way that Willie can get 2 hits, and only one way that Willie can get no hits. However, looking at this problem, with Willie getting only 1 hit, there's a couple different ways that he can do this. He can hit the ball his first time at bat, and then not hit it the second time. Remember, this would be an and. But there's another way that Willie can do this. So Willie can either get a hit his first time and miss his second one, or, if you hear me specifically say, or Willie can not hit the first one and hit the second one. So here I go with these words, right? So I have Willie gets a hit and misses this. Or Willie gets no hit and hits the second one. So if I look at this, I'm going to do he gets a hit, which is 1 out of 3 chance, and he gets no hit. Or, which is the addition we talked about, or this was in class. I forgot to add it over here. Let's take a look really quick. If we're doing the additive rule, the key word here, the key phrase is or, because or dictates the addition of our options that we're going to be having of the different events, right? So if we look at this, we're going to have this or this or this. Every time we hear the word or, we're going to be adding our probabilities. So in this case, with an or, we're going to be adding the probability of this option. This is one option that can happen, or one possibility. This is a second option. Plus no hit multiplied by him actually getting a hit. Now, not rule of thumb, but something smart to do is to put a set of parentheses around each possible outcome. So that way we keep our numbers orderly and we can see the difference between the two. If we simplify this, we can see that we'll get 2/9 plus 2/9, which, since they already have the common denominator, we can just add straight across. We get a 4 out of 9 chance that Willie gets 1 hit during a game. Come to class, we'll go through another example and we'll take a look at how to go through these probability rules and how this makes sense in the long run and how we can use it to our advantage when making decisions.